So sometimes, even though it seemed that we were making progress in our thinking and correcting some of the abuses in the church, there created this infighting that really didn't represent Christianity very well.
Selalu cakap bukan benar le. Ngahu coba mau kalau tu lah bela. Kau cingat je le. Obe coba mau te picture be bat te patah. Sia le tu lah buka. Ngahu tu lah be mau te pakak. Kau mak kau mau dah le. No, you ka mak te dah be kau be. Siapa tu buka be tu kau le. Dah be apa tu lah buka. Usah te mai te buka. 为了洗的嘛修大一把刀嘞，这个有刀嘛修大一把刀，马不得大一把刀。为啥？可能为啥嘞？下辈子有，下辈子嘛คือ可能修大你冇比过别的马他，啊只马比咯，我讲那嘞，我对最头开得大一把刀。
Okay, for lunch we're going to cover this. Let's go back and we're going to talk about John Calvin and his ideas that began to spread about that God would choose who would and who would not be saved.
Okay, jadi ke John Calvin Allah aci ko mati viole Allah ko ya sudah ko otak je you will me tak naga tu ko je cise ke mati ya jadi ke aci na chue John Calvin achule yo ma be ka hele ko le aci magavio.
In response to his teaching, a man named Jacob Arminius began to write up in the Netherlands. He began to preach that the individual, God had given an individual free will. And so he began to talk about the fact that humanity, had a choice in deciding whether they were saved. God did not do all the choosing.
Is that in contrary to John Calvin's election theory? Or is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. In contrast to John Calvin, who said that God would choose who would be saved, Jacob Arminius taught that man was given a free will and they had the free moral agency.
Okay. John Calvin ko cho ho chele yo we mo to la le yo ma be to kha aye u ja be ko le mi bi cho ya mun ma ko kai tu be lu ma phe lo u sha lu ko kai tu be u sha le mun na ho kai tu be no lu cho be lo ko le no kha ke da be te ka kai ga ti me no tin ni ko mun na ho kai tu be ti lo te yo ke ma be ti ma tha ma to cho le li fo ta ga te ko fo ni le what's his name? Arminius?
Jacob Arminius.
Jacob. Yaqub le. Yaqub namsakun Arminius ko wechitiga ko. Li fotaga te ko fu ni le o ni be tian tha chitiga.
It's also James.
Yo ko be khale mi ku choya chi o khale alo jo be lo sha alo pie be jo lo. Yo lu ko le mun ma ko kai phe bi o sha te ti lu me. Sha lu ba le salama ko kai te be ngạc của cô nó cái từ về chip hoa cô nó tay từ về mà cái lưỡi té là lệ ô về chuyện thân nữa cái cho cái gì rồi người xa hạ bê về ở trái bắt đầu người xa tiếp của thầy khó khó khăn cả thầy khó từ về lệ cứ lùi mẹ lùi cái nó cái thì để có lẽ mình cứ khó sẽ tiếp cái 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 gì ok cô về đâu khác thì mà ta cho là James Arminius có chỉ cái có mà vì cái
So that there was agreement by both Calvin and Arminius that the Holy Spirit was the one that was active in the believer's life. But the difference is that Calvin believed that God knew and chose those whom the Holy Spirit would work in their life, and Arminius believed that there was a free will that God gave us, and so that God's sovereignty in that area was limited and allowed the work of a human being, allowed the free will of the individual to be active in that decision.
John Calvin yo vele o hafu no ko katte dia ka usale selama thai khoga be pato o hafu pura le selama tha 又被压迫掉过卡古拉嘞 OK 有那就 OK 买的嘞也个是啦其这个我起码要该怎么有嘞不搞我嘛就过来有下有还有路的我该那有John Calvin OK 买嘞也个 James Arminius ที่เจ้าก็เขาบอกเลยโอ้ฮะโฟกัสที่ก็เตะไปอยู่อยากค่ะเตะก็เลิกเตะก็มาเตะเด็กJames อยากพูดเลย Arminius มาตัวเลยมาเชื่อปืนดักคือโจมมาจากอะไรไปปืนดักคือโจมอะไร
Okay, let's go back to the map. This is where the political situation enters in.
แต่เดี๋ยวโอเคมาเชื่อโอเคเพจเชื่อไปติดจุดคนเราติดกี่ที่ไหนที่อาจุยะถ้าคนเราที่ข้ออาชา
The leaders in this Netherlands area of all these little governments called a council to try to create all of them under one monarchy. They wanted to create a monarchy, all of the little individual leaders there. This is not church, this is political.
Netherlands ผู้มีเขาเราจมวยเลยอะไรแค่เจ้าชายก็เราเลยเจ้าชายแค่เลยจมวยมาใจเลยอาจุยะแค่เตะไปแล้วที่จุยท่าข้าไปถ้าอยู่จุเลยที่หมดที่จะได้เตะสกายไปเจ้
And so when they called this meeting together of these provinces, they invited the theologians together so that they could determine what kind of belief system they would adopt.
แต่ที่นี่ก็ถ้าจังที่จังหวัดเลยข้าเชโลก็รู้เลยเราคุยอะไรข้าเชโลที่ผ่าอยู่จุดพี่อะไรงาคือข้าเชโลเกติเกบุมาปากกันหลายไหมและข้าเชโลที่ตลาดบุพโภกับข้าพ่อโหจิตที่เป็นงาคือเนี่ยตัวเล่นมุ่งเหมียวเขาบุพโภกับข้าที่อย่างงาคือที่เป็นเจดาที่เราบุมาปากกันหลายก็เลยบุมาที่รู้ที่มาก็แต่เลยข้าไปแต่อยู่จุดไปเจ้
And so in this council, they rejected the ideas of Arminius and adopted the ideas of Calvin.
James Arminius มาเลยช่วยเลยอาโลโจไปโยโดยชาติที่เลื่อยมาให้แต่ก็เวทีมาถ่าโอโคมากะ James Arminius อยู่ข้าจะที่มาถ่าอยู่คือมาคือกาเจ
And developed what many of you encounter sometimes in your teaching, what we now call the 5 points of Calvinism. Do you have those?
ยูฮือก็จะเข้า是เย็นดะเชบุคนโนจานแคลวินมาโคตรติ้งอ่ะคือนายอยู่ตัวโยโอเวลหมดเดียบโอโลโกJames Arminius หมายไว้ที่มาไงคือมาโดนโจก็เลยจานแคลวินเวอยู่ข้าตะโกโอเวนาบัตเตชเลยโอเวอาจุยะกับลาโลเวครีอมเนตไอวิว
In English, this forms the word called tulip.
ก็รับช่วงโคโลอยู่เวทีอันท่าชีโอโรติเมติเนอยู่เวบาดทุเรแต่ที่โตคือชาลาตัวโปทุเรโอเวลเคลสเวที่จืดไปเลยโอเวลแมทุเรในเวโอแม
And the reason this is important is because it informed much of the way many denominations think even today.
ชิตาปาโตชิติมาจานแคลวินอยากโตลาเวเตโตลาเวอยู่ข้างง่ามา有自罗ง่ามาจะไปอยู่有自罗ง่ามาจานเข้าเลยอาตมาตัวชิติมาเยอะไปแล้วก็ชีบุช่วยข้ากะนงอ่ะคือมาอยู่จั่วเวองหนวกปวดจั่วเวจอชิแค่อยู่เวอโคโลเชียลาเวชิพาเกลาเวก็ได้สัก
The T stands for total depravity.
ตาโอเวที่ข้อเชี่ยวกันเลยกาลาพวกเขา total depravity โอเวจะได้เจ้ total depravity ก็เวซึกเกี่ยวกันเลยเพื่อเลย 就哈破所谓的他米个抽下去，阿是有还有太考读对嘛个呗，不来说个呗，就哈破个不来OK ต่อ嘞，去谁破起来呗。
What this means is that because of the fall, that human beings are entirely inclined to sin, and there's no spark of goodness or any ability to please God in them. So therefore, no sinner could choose to Christ, is able to choose Christ.
像我都去totally private 国家的资格，可能米个抽呀，在维巴在把在不可能，在这个阿需还有伽马个呗，就哈破。លើកលើមកកាក៏កាវិញណាគឺឆាលើក៏កាលើកកាវិញញីមកចុកកាវិញវេបាផោទេ 5% វេបាទេផោទេ 5% អនតាក៏កាវិញអូផោទីអនអាក៏កាវិញ
Any question about that? What that means? T.
这个那个嘞ได้ 5% ก็ไม่ล่ะก็ 7% ก็ไม่ได้ 5% เซพ่อแช่เว้เวบะพ่อที่อ้อเว้ก็แค่ตัวบอกว่าแม่พ่อเฉพาะด่าพ่อปื้อเปียกะที่คือที่พวกอะไรเวบะพ่อที่ไก่กาเว้นี่มาจบเว้
Okay. Second, the U stands for unconditional election. What that means is that God places no conditions upon salvation, and with perfect wisdom before the foundation of the world, He chose those who would come to express saving faith in Jesus Christ. And so God does not merely foresee those who will accept their own free will. He actually foreordains some that will believe, for absolutely none would choose God otherwise. And He denies that God is unfair. For all are worthy of hell, so anyone who is saved gets this undeserved gift of grace.
Unconditional election ก็แบบที่ถ้า election ก็เลือกอยู่แบบพวกนั้นแหละอย่างถ้า unconditional election ก็เลือกอยู่เลย unconditional ก็อะไรพูดเลยคือชามาฝืนมาแปะเตะปวดที่คือชาสีเว้ขันยี่กายโยธาเลือกตัวเว้ขันยี่กายโยธามาเลือกตัวเว้โยเสียเว้แล้วก็ที่ถือเลยคือชาสีตัวโยคือชาธาเลือกตัวเว้ที่ถือเลยนมาปอชิตากะมีเกิดชิมันนมาชิมาผ่าชิตากะโยเสียเว้ก็ได้เว้
In other words, there's no condition that you and I have. We cannot choose to repent, cannot choose to follow Jesus. Unconditional election means that God makes the choice.
ก็ได้เป็นสิ่งก็เลยที่พวกก็มี个choice呀เลือกตัวอักขมาจก็ได้เลยโอเคที่มาบอกแล้วเราก็เลยมี个choice呀ไทยเขาเวทะเลือกตัวอักขมาจก็ได้เลย
The third one is what we call limited atonement. And it means that the gospel is sufficient to cover the sins of all people universally. And the gospel is for all the world. But it is that Christ's death is only efficient in covering the sins of the elect, or those whom God has chosen. Christ died only for the sins of those who are actually saved.
เชื่อมาที่มาบอกกันเลยเยซูคริสต์เวตุตาตุเวชิออกกันเลยวิชาลืออยู่ตาเวชออติหมอโปเจติแผ่เวหัวกันเลยเยซูหลักการข้อสเลตุตาเวชิติมาเลยวิชาลืออยู่อาเวอติผ่าโปเจติโอโบโจเวหัวกันเลย所以这个卡不要不是那耶稣可以嘞，那个嘞，耶稣可以这个是这个卡不要不是没有，也卡我不该那个，有些人有啊，我对某不接的，我不该没有，不该没有， โอเคมาเลย
For them, if Christ had to die for anyone without salvation, then God's will would have been thwarted or avoided, and so then God is really not sovereign. So for them, they had to say that Christ died only for those who are actually saved.
其实把到开的那些人来，其实嘛那还加的有也看到有过来都可以过对呗。John Calvin ก็มาแบบเขาเลยวิชาที่มาเลื่อยๆไปชดเตกะตัวป่าก็สละมาที่ห้องเขาสละมาเจตีมุนมาโคไกตัววิชาเลื่อยไปโคโลเอล่ะตัวป่าห้ามเอล่ะแค่แต่แล้วเยซู是为了สละมา不เจตีอยู่不久呗อย่าฆ่าโทษสละเอาไว้ที่สละที่กะมุนมาโคไกตัวเวออกข้าแผ่เวแผ่ปื้อเวโลโกวิชาแหละวิชามาให้รอโอโลโกโอตาก็อยู่ที่เลือเวอย่าฆ่าชีพากะอยู่แล้วก็แผ่ละเวแผ่มานาตาก็เลยชิเคมาโกเวโลโกอยู่ไปอยู่ข้าเชียมาหงลาพวกเอวิชากะปะมาจ่อวิชาแค่ตัวเสียวก็ทำมาพอตัวมาเรื่อยๆไปก็โอ้ตัดเลยจะไปแล้วโอเคไกลไปเชื่อพอตัวอยู่ข้าจะติดมาชดตั้งแต่ก็อยู่ที่เคยาต่อไปโอเค
The I is for irresistible grace, which means that the Holy Spirit irresistibly works to awaken faith and the awareness of sin in the dead sinners so that no one who is part of the elect can actually reject God and His offer of grace.
Irresistible grace ก็พวกอะไรวิชาบุชีพูดเลยวิชาเปล่าบุชีที่มาลึกกับมาเผาไปก็กลายเป็นนะวิชาเปล่าบุชีที่มาแต่มาหาอยู่กับมาเผาไปตัวก็ใช่เลยselama nole usha lu yo te ga phe ba to le no ni ma te ko o ma te ma cho be po te kai ga be ya ka khe ko ka no ma se ta yo lu te be yo lo ko no ta lu be le yo be o shi te ma lu ma phe be te ju no ko phe kai le no ma se ta no yo ta lu te yo ko ga be ya pi no ka khe te ga ya pi ya ka to ka khe ka usha no lu be pa to no le ole mu ta ko yo ge ti ko ti ko ga be yo ta ti lu ti ko ga be.
So if that's true, then one would ask, well, why then should you evangelize?
Chi da pa to okay ko wi sha lu yu a be cho te ti mu ma ko kai tu be lo ko Atonement pa to bo ko ma tu lu le.
And their response to that is it grows out of the love of God and the desire to be the servant rather than an ability to sort of convince someone of their sins. It's just simply being obedient to God.
You go well, Kale. We shall look you have a look at Chicha, but no Kaimaka Katuga or Bomacho. Yaka no Botoma Patele, no Botoma Patele Hale, Boko, Makai Gaveloka. Uwe Kale, we shall call that now you about David to pay you. Le, pay lots to Kai to Malo, Ogave. Kale to Kai, you look joy because joy be. You ma lựa với cái cho cô ya piu ok che cái đó vậy ya cả na yu với họ yo coi với cái tệ coi che.
The last is the letter P for the perseverance of the saints.
Thế là lấy mới thì mà có cái này yo về yo lựa yu ta về cho thà yo hạ sao về cô cái này.
And this is the belief that once a person is saved, he or she cannot fall away from the Christian faith.
Chiều cái này, chỉ cố gắng được cái này, ở lên mới tìm mạo cái này, người cha yêu thái khổ về lo khổ, khắc khe có cả, muốn mà có cái thì yêu yêu à sa khám เวบะคนละเชกะแท็กขอเวลาเดียวโยหาชาติอยู่พวกกันเลยโยลึกอยู่ไว้ชดแต่โยหาชาติอยู่พวกกันเลย
So they would indicate that some fall away because they never really possessed truly saving faith. It was only an emotional experience.
แค่ก็ได้ผ่านนานี้ไปเลยอาตมาปาโตสลายตายละเนี่ยโอเลมือถ้ากับพวกเขาเรียกชากับมาอยู่เช็คเตเลเช็คสาไปเลยโย่แท็กเขาว่าตัวแม่โชว์กับที่เป๋ไปแล้วจะเล่เช็คคุปปี้ไปเลยแค่ก็จานข้าวเป็นผู้หมกให้กูอะไรก็โอ้คือปุ๊กกับชามาลึกอยู่อะไรอยู่โอถ้าเจเตียไปโย่คือถ้าเจชาโฟกัสเตเลคือถ้าเจเตียไปแต่เขาเลยเมื่อก็ชาลึกอยู่ไปชดเตกับมาให้ปาโตโอเคเป๋ไปอยู่แต่ที่ไม่โอเคเจไก่ไปก็โย่
And others who may sin grievously are actually saved. If they're actually saved, but they sin grievously, their belief is that they'll just be restored in God's sovereign time.
แค่แต่เราชาลึกอยู่ไปชดเตกับมีก็โคตรติดเช่เลยเว็บที่ติดเช่ไปก็ขาแค่โคตรติดแล้วก็ไปที่อันท่าติดชิมาให้โยกขาแค่เตกับโอเลเมื่อก็แค่เลยชิติมาก็ตัวชาละตัวก็แบบตัวเพื่อเลยเราชาจ้าเวลาตัวมาที่ติดกับติดชิมาให้โอเลเมื่อกับตั้งกับก็ชาเพื่อไกด์ตัวเลยโอเคที่มาโอเคหลายก็โยก่อนโยมา
Though John Calvin had lived and written earlier, what we see here, this tulip, this decision was made in 1620.
แต่จอห์นแคลวินโยมาค่าที่มาถ้ามุมีโอเวติปีโอโคโลหาอยู่ตัวโยแต่ก็เลยยื้อหาอยู่ไปหรอกเลยที่หิ้งของหาเลยนี่เชื่อของท่ายื้อหาอยู่เลยโอปติโอเพไปจุยาเลยโคโลโอปติเพเลยหาชาไก่เลย
And so
ของปีไก่แล้วก็ได้
So the way that you live out the way what God for the chosen elect, these people who have been elected and chosen, the sermon and the Bible then become their guide for living.
ที่แต่ว่าตัวบุ้มมาไม่ได้หลีกฟูชีอาชาติเชื่อแบบเรายื้อใครเด็ดอาชาติเชื่อพวกอะไรใครขอตัวโอโลไปโยแต่ก็เลยบุ้มมาแบบนาบัติอยู่นี่สิ่งที่จะหลีกฟูไปที่มาแล้วก็แต่เลยเคลียร์ที่ผ่าโอเคแผ่หลาไปโยอะไรก็จะช่วยทำ Thanks.
So what you're looking for is I call it a council. The synod here was just another name for council. This Council of Dort that met in 1620 not only combined the Netherlands into a small monarchy, but also then into a
state religion.
Question is it a state religion? Let me.
Well, I don't want to.
Let me ask that.
They adapted that, right?
This was not the state religion, but it did become the primary way of thinking for those who live. Yeah, the recognized and primary way of thinking for the existing churches there.
Okay. Kita pato Netherlands apolo Senate of Dort ผู้เป็นติกาพอเราคือขอดาและที่หิขอหานี่จีขอท่าพอลีที่มาแต่ยืคือหาอยู่และอยู่ค่าที่มากะเพื่อเลยจานคาวันไปหมาไปที่มาทางคือหาอยู่ไปโยแต่ก็แหละยืคือรีโมเชดาและโอเคแปะไก่ไปโยเจ้เนเธอร์แลนด์ไม่มีขอ
The reason this is perhaps so important for us to understand and to know is because as we begin to understand John Wesley's preaching in his experience in around 1735, in the roots of evangelicalism, the camps, the two positions in the evangelical movement generally line up either around this set of beliefs or the more Arminian way of thinking, which is the free will.
Okay. Atama bato chi John Calvin mata la ve olo chi te ma olo nang ta ma ve ko okono no ai te hi su ha le che jinga ko ta John Wesley ko obe li fu ta na la ve ti ni tha John Calvin ma ve po nga hu ve o mo le na le ke o mo John Calvin ma ve po nga hu ma cho ve po o a ve le na mai ko o tha ya so ta po ve James Arminius o te ga ve po cho ya le a lo cho ve o sha yu kha yo nga ha ko chi nga ga ti mun ma ko yu ka tu lu te a ma he a shu ka lu tu a kha cho ko ve te ma James Arminius po nga hu na za le pe mo chi o po o a le na chi te ma nga hu chi tu po che ke la ma ta ve ko ga na.
Let's go back to the in England, just as a review, the Reformation of England, if you remember, the King of England got into this disagreement with Rome and the Pope. He had married his brother had passed away, and he'd married his brother's wife. And then after about 20, 25, 30 years, he decided he wanted to marry a different woman and tried to get his marriage annulled. And he couldn't get the Pope convinced to do that. And so they didn't really like being governed and sending their taxes to Rome anyway. And so England decided to separate from the Roman Church. And so they create the Church of England.
England mo ko lo jo mo te ga jo be. Mo la ka England ne mo mi England mo mi. England ko jo mo te ga jo be te chui tha. Ke te la yo be o bi pa se la yo bi pa lo mi ma ta yo ko hu shi. Yo hu la ka la ni chi nga ko ke ga be ti an tha. Yo vi pa do mi ma chi te ma yo ba ta le ba tu a kho ja lo le ko yo jo rom Santa Papa lo ge o lo ko yu bo ko ve ka pe o kho chi a ti ku che lo ko Roma ti ku che lo ko jo bo mo che pe a pa to le ke te yo a cha na ni ve nga mi ma ba tu ve a kho chi pe a ko ve yo ma pe ko ve ma pe ko to o be o ko ka na shona ja ko be o ko chi ma pi ga nga ko chi ke che ga te la ga ko le o yo rong ta to che da te be o kha cha be o lo ko yo o mi ma i te ma ko hu ga be pa to.
Around 1600, a group called the Puritans were able to come into the leadership of England. These are a movement within the church to try to live not just in more purity, but believing that how your genuine spirituality and religious experience were important.
Ti ko ha ko ke tha England mo mi ko lo jo bo mo ko cha ga yo ya ka to a cha te che be ko lo ka da ke tu lo be ko le Puritans ko be ti mo to la be.
And so they adopted these the tulip that we just discussed, those 5 points of Calvinism.
cái này Puritan sẽ đi một ai chiều cái này cho John Calvin mà này tôi có thể hạ yếu và tôi yêu cầu về có lạc lô này hạ yếu đã về.
And they came into power in a time that they were able to bring true spirituality for a while, but then even their movement in England became sort of dead spiritually.
Thế cái tí à, bộ cái này xin đi mua về ông mẹ khác chơi vụ lại về liệu nó có yêu mà về khác lại xin đã ra được cái này. Nhà các tôi mà mua rồi yêu về ông mẹ vụ về yêu cái ý cái về ô.
And they were able to legislate this new doctrine, but even though they were able to pass it as the way to think, you may be able to implement it that way, but you can't make it the experience of the people. And so they begin to lose their stress on experience, and so even then, they then kind of became just an outward kind of religion.
Cái là yêu về khác chi dân thân yêu khác thì mà chú ya là lo từ về để có thô cho ya chi sẽ khai để chế từ về yêu để mà là về bắt đầu ở thà chế về yêu khác có thể về bố chế tu lỗi về bố yêu có đã ra bố chế bố lỗi cả bữa lệ bố lý xử lý chế thì để bị từ bố chế phải là khi ở một cái cuộc sống về cái chuyện của cái nó dẫn dụ chế về phải cái điều.
So by the time John Wesley began to preach, part of the English situation in England was that essentially the church had become just a dead religion.
John Wesley kala về tiêu tha của cái England muốn miệng colony về tiêu tha, Creole một chiều cái bố lý xử lý chế tí để chế về một cái phép biểu, ở đây na asa để chế về bữa lệ asa chỗ chế về để chế về Creole một mà sửa sư chế về cái này cho mua cho cũ chế bố lỗi lệ bố có chân này ok chế tí để chế biểu asa để chế về chỉ cả mà chỗ hàng phổ số như thế này.
The other influence that had invaded the colleges and academics, the other influence was that human reason had begun to be elevated. In fact, the scientist Isaac Newton had introduced several of he had revolutionized the way that science looked at the world, and there were two camps. One was that the world was all material, so they were the materialists.
John Wesley mà là xíu sự thắc có thể phải xem về có chú ý mày phô về cả bữa lệ lý hệ gì ông em phụ trai về ông em phụ trai là ông vềวิทยาศาสตร์phô về cả lại thế này à ở sửa có mà tôi lại là xì lại về bắt đầu ông về là lúc là yêu khá cái cả có mua trai về cái chữ có số cái về.
And they taught that since the universe is composed of matter and space, then to them, if God existed, He had to be material. And most of the Christians rejected that view.
Cái là chú ý mà phô về mà về cái là mi cứ chiều cái là sa dễ là ở sa chính chỉ thấy yêu ye là phá về lo chỉ đã bắt đầu tí chỉ là yêu phá về lại cho cả ngày cái tí chua về rồi bắt đầu sa thôi cả ok chế về rồi ha có lẽ sa thà chỉ tí chỉ là phá sẽ phá phê về yêu ý cái về tiền tha bây giờ sa ta yêu về cho thế có chú ý mà phô về mà tốt lại về chế về chỉ tí phá ta mà yêu chế
The other way of looking at the world was that the world was a living organism, and for them, they viewed God as the soul of that living organism. And so that since the universe, since they believed the universe was alive, then scientists explored the secrets of the universe through things like astrology, magic, numerology. Virtually most respectable Christian scientists were of this belief. They called it vitalist. Yes, that there was a living organism. The world was a living organism, and that God was the spirit or soul of that organism.
Chỉ tin một cái khai tiết chỉ là asha tiết chế về đây rồi, hpeh̞ mình nói hpeh̞ cả asha chỗ về đây rồi, chế bắt đầu người sa có khai tiết chỉ là khó chế về rồi, thì có lẽ người sa thà, chỉ mua cái lo chú ý mà hpeh̞ cả người sa thà chỉ mua cái lo chỉ ta về ông chỉ cái ni mồ, chỗ gì ni mà cái chỉ cái tổ là về, đôi khai ni mà tổ là về.
So Isaac Newton was a scientist then that rejected both of those ideas, and he formulated the law of gravity based on the idea that the universe was both material and spiritual. It was partly material, partly spiritual, and so he saw that he conceived of both gravity and God as spiritual ideas. The law of gravity meaning things that would be attached and fall to the earth. If I, for instance, take the eraser, drop it, it's the law of gravity.
Chú ý cho bà lô tức là Isaac Newton tức là bà tỏ là Isaac Newton có biểu cái là nó hơi như một về chơi thì có biểu cái là chỉ mà có cho nó ngà có đó nhưng có cái là bữa là sa là Ohio cái là cái là ngà cái thế hpeh̞ là có cái là nó mà sheh cả Atonement chữ nó hpeh̞ cảที่โฉอย่าใครก็ไปโยแหละที่จุดโฉเช่ไปใครก็ไปตัวมาที่จะอ่อนหน้าแบบเพื่อเขาห้องที่อยากอะไรไปแหละเช่ประตูคือชาเลยอ่อนหาเขาช่วยอยู่ก็เลยโยนี่โจเย่นี่โจเย่ถ้ามาหัวด่าไปโยเขาโยเด็กข้าวก็จะแค่มาไกลไปอยู่คือชาเลยโจหาอ่อนหาอยู่ก็เช่ไป
It was about the same time that they also, because of the use of human reason, that scientists also discovered, as I mentioned yesterday, that the earth was not flat, but it is now round. And because Sir Isaac Newton discovered this law of gravity, it also made the implications of how the planets revolved around the sun rather than the sun going around the earth.
Isaac Newton over gravity ก็เวลาที่ความดูดเวนี่คือที่เอาช่างคือแต่โอตีใช่ไหมที่อะไรเลยก็มาปกไก่หมดเลยที่จึงคือเอาโอตีแล้วก็มีเช่ากันด้วยโอใช่ไหมที่เดียวมาแต่พอโตไอเซนนูนโอเคสิได้พอโตโอ้แค่ก็มีกุชิกะโอ้ยเพลไปแล้วโอ้ยเพลเลยมีกุชิกะมุนี่ที่ที่มาแต่โตใช่ไหมโอจือเพลไปแล้วมุนี่ที่มีกะโตใช่ไม่ให้เราแต่ก็เลยสิได้ไปว่าไทยสิได้ไป
And because of the use of human reason in this way, there were a group of people that began to think and began to follow a way which we have described as a belief called deism.
And because of what?
The use of human reason in science and the elevation of human reason created a way of thinking about God called deism.
Okay.
You want me to explain deism?
Deism.
Okay. Deism, it's the belief that God is there and created the world, but that He is removed from that world And it really took Christianity, what it does is it eliminates things like miracles, the virgin birth, the resurrection, and all of those biblical accounts, but still has a God who sort of put things in place, and then it just is like a clock ticking, it just goes on in motion.
啊，佢哋咧注意咪他千唔會注意好咯，這個我拍啦嘅啫，有卡啲嘛個多啦嘅 deism 咩嘅有卡啲嘛個多啦嘅 deism 嘅有卡啲嘛佢哋卡嘅國家嘅咧嗰個，有啥啲個冇那麼啲個爬嘅哟，也卡有爬咧，睇開ตัว波有個別咧爬嘅有國家嘅，有啥車啲個乜車有啥乜做，咧。卡夫夫该哦，爬的该哦，不该呗。你啊下车嘛还不该呗？对你不对你还下车嘛？又爬大嘞，没该哦不该呗。OK 呗，有看见嘛好多吧。
So no longer was the church and the study of God theology, no longer were the church and the study of God the predominant view of culture, the God of Christianity. Now, human reason began to be equal with God, and God was sort of stripped of some of his authority and sovereignty by much of the secular world.
现在把到去deism呗，有看见的嘛他有把嘛来把到我哋冇苗可咯，这个配呗啊。你覆盖他妈的很多路嘞，有啥爬大了嘞，包不要？对你不对你有车不就买，加把到注意嘛也在，注意嘞，木家不要就有，注意加个好嘞，不嘞你嘛个阿拉开有啥开配，不要就配，有加把到注意加，注意有那把的，有啥为你夫妻还不要的，这次对嘛做，得 OK 好，拉那个呗，都看的吧。
So it's into that context of the world, this changing of the mindset, even in science, the elevation of human reason, the church that had split up into different ways of thinking, the Muslim influence from the south and the east. And it's into that time and place that we are prepared then to begin to see how God begins to move in the hearts and lives of people in an evangelical revival begins in the 1700s.
ก็จะเล่าเขาเลยมีคือช่วยชดที่ก็พูดเลยคือชาเกวิดาไกเชื่อว่าอจุยเผยอยู่เราก็จุยมาอีกแล้วที่จุดแรกแกก็ไอ้เออที่จุดชอบไกเลยปะต่อคือชาก็มีคือมันมาเชื่อผ่าตาเลยแม่ไกออกมาเชื่อจะปะต่อให้ตัวมาหลโอเคอยู่เชื่อว่าที่มีคนเชื่อปะต่อที่ฮีเลยสิ่งหาเลยอจิขอกาไปที่อันท่าพูดเลยคือชาตากะอยู่ไว้ชกะอีไกเชี่ยวและมีกระชีลูกไกเชี่ยวไปโอยาเขาโลอย่าเชี่ยวก็ไปแท้โอยาด่าจ้าไปโอยาตียาเขาก็โตละเลยข้าแค่แต่เลยนอนตุปะและขี้อมตะนอนตุปะคือชาบูเตตายไปโลให้ไกตัวโย
So when we come back this afternoon, we're going to do a couple of things. We're going to begin our session by we're going to let some of you share your stories.
ก็แต่เลยมันจะคือมุ่งหลอกว่าถ้าปกติแล้วที่อันท่าชีติโตถ้าบาตาเลยจ้าเลยโนฮือที่ก็เลยมุ่งหลอกว่าจ้าผลเลยก็ละท่านั่นนี่ตัวอยู่ที่ก็ชีโกกายไปชดที่ผ่านเลยโนเวอาชาอโลโนเวจูหายาก็โตลาเวอโลที่ที่ผ่าน
Not just the story of your testimony and coming to know God, but the story of your life as it compares to everyone else. The story of the story of your life as compared to the lives of any other person that would be born and raised, even Buddhists.
No ve juhaya ko jati ma je. Ya ka tho no asha te che la ve le ka ke te ha wo ka ke te phe la ve lo te pa ka ko kai tu yo kai tu ma kai tu oya pi tu.
For instance, where were you born? What kind of family? What kind of town? Important events of your life growing up. Maybe For instance, the other day, a person that almost died when he was 2. Maybe there was something that happened, a storm, or something happened to your family, or you moved, and then your marriage, if you're married, your children, anything that you want to tell about your life.
Nó chả có là thôi mà cố gắng cả cố tự về thế là có chi cho hà po ya có tốt lại về thế mà thế nó cả khéo khá lo po lại về lệ nó po lại với mình cả khéo về mình po lại về lệ nó chả để chế về tiền tha thì sao mà cố về khéo gặp khơi về chỉ yêu thì chế cửa thì tất cả bà tay lệ ô về gặp photo về ở chữ chỗ cả ok cặp với cả cố cái từ về thế là những cái ok ở nhà bây giờ
And then a part of that story is the story of how you came to know God and came to faith in Christ, and the changes that made, your call to ministry, and how God has led you since then.
Ketele ove nove olo chiti ma kholo toka chi ka ketele risha no uyuve. Okay ka ove ka poda peve yo poga.
And then we're going to pick up with the story of how God began to do a revival that would spread across the ocean and into other parts of the world.
Ketele okele te hi se ha o chi khotha ka ketele kri o mu ka pe zum jo cheve o chui kholo ka ketele choya te ga to la le chi ju ha pho no tu she pha ka ni ga to la ve le no tu la le thoma te kai ve yu hu no tu pi ve pa chi bu chui ka ga ka ketele ha le ve bo kho lu sha ve kri o mu chi ti ma te ka che ve ta cha da tu ma kai dio.
So I want you to have some lunch, maybe take a quick nap. Come back ready to tell your story. Oh man. Everybody looks wide awake. Ready to go run a race? Well, Before we left, we talked about picking back up this afternoon with some of the beginnings of the root of evangelical revival that would take the gospel across the ocean to America and then also into areas of the rest of the world. If we can get let's get the world map up here. One of the things that we need to remember is that around this period of time, in these years, in just coming into the 1500s, countries began to want to explore the world, and since now the world wasn't flat and they wouldn't drop off, they thought they could find a way from here to this part of the world, thinking they could sail this direction.
Chế mê rồi xây có lẽ cả phương cái mà hại về. Giờ cả chui mày có mà là lẽ tí ngã có tí chui cả là tha. Mi cứ chiều ôi phải về lo. Chế bao tôi yêu cứ đua về ở cái này. Chỉ điểm mình đua yêu mà xí cả là mình chỗ về để yêu mà xí. Lẽ mi cứ tiếp biết lố chỗ về yêu mà xí. Giờ cả tôi yêu cứ đua về ở chỗ cả đây là Europe, Anh Kỳ mình đây là chỗ cả Asia mà mình. Laļhu tu ve o ma ko chi hpeh:̃ le okay vu tu ma ko okay cha tu yu ke to cha le.
And so several of the Catholic governments, Spain, Portugal, and even England were sending explorers out, and they were, some of them were coming down around the Horn of Africa. Some would cross. We mentioned Christopher Columbus, who would cross the ocean and discover this part of the Americas, and so as this continued to happen and more trips were made, Europe, these parts of Europe would plant colonies. Even though there were already people there, they would plant colonies of their own people in different segments around the coastlines.
Kita patut nungguta setinya cukup bio le. Christopher Columbus kebet cho mako mo becuka jopo mo opu cha le. Jopo be hulu le mumi jomo tige poda le. Obe mumi cha pa te pa. Lasela sha kalau husha po ki pa te pa. Ta yu fupi le mumi cha le. Mumi cha to le. Mumi cha la le dia tha asiyo yo cho chuka te ka jolo ko le. Chuka galo ko chuka ube yu be cho chu ko ga te ko kai tu ta ka te pa kai tu te pi leo ka te ka okay asiyo yo kala cho chu ka cha che ga tu ko ke te kai ve le mumi ve tu ke pu te kai ve.
And as they would plant their colonies and settlements, they would have a desire to also take the Christian faith to those parts of the world. And so there began to be kind of a dual emphasis on not only replanting their culture, but also their Christian faith. In the Western Roman Catholic Church and Protestants, if you remember, the bulk of Christians, the Christian faith, that were not Eastern Orthodox, but in the Western Roman Catholic Church and now Protestants, the bulk of those people lived in this part of the world.
Eastern Orthodox ko le opa che kai ve ya kha to ma ya kha cho pa ve ko khle ku le muni kai ko ve mo ko khle ga te ko la ma la le yu kha ka he la ve.
And apart from an area carved out by Eastern Orthodoxy, the Muslims pretty much controlled all of this area around the north coast of Africa and up into this area.
Africa or na po vele ichi tu mi le Israel mi chi Hkawāʼ Thai koตะวันออกชิงตะวันออกกลางคาเฟ่เลยพาชีเดโฮอยู่กันเลยอยู่โฮอยู่กันเลยโบกาท่านี่อยู่เลยอยู่ข้างกันที่บทนี่เต็มเลย
So that within a period of about 300 to 400 years, Christianity, and the focus here, would go to the U.S. and spread all the way across its borders, all the way through South America, parts of Africa, India, and basically plant the history of Christianity, or the Christian religion would spread around the world virtually.
Protestant tất cả lệ bé cái biểu là có nhiều sự cha biểu tất cái nhiều khác tất cả cái biểu
Even though it was not the dominant religion in many of these areas, missionaries would be sent even into the Far East by the middle of the 1800s.
Mà bây giờ cái này chúng ta Asia muốn miêu có cả muốn mi cái về tiếp bị ở có cái thôi mà có cả lo nhiều khác tiếp chữ là chỗ về yêu muốn miêu chỗ về khác bồi ra về cả có là phải ở yêu thì cái là bé cái là mà cái về tiếp miêu có.
In some ways, it was a little bit like the extraordinary spread of Christianity after the time of Christ and the first spread of Christianity. In this area, it would enlarge and spread quickly. Well, now, once again, out of sort of a nucleus of the Christian faith, it would spread within a period of just a few hundred years to a more global, to be global around, to be global. Right.
Ceuʼ có lộ tiếp truy tha, Ceuʼ về ở truy tha, khi ông một chiếc tim nhiều có lộ gắt thế mà lại phải khai suy. Các bạn vâng hiểu không?
Put that on camera.
Mà có tiếp truy tha, khi ông một gắt thế tiếp to tiếp giữ mà lại phải khai suy. Chỉ bởi lẽ khi ông một chiếc tim mà chúng ta cả thà gặp họ gắt thế có phải cái là mình cứ khó khăn về khá lẽ gạt cái từ về khát tiếp bộ cổ cho là vì ô chứ.
And there were some reasons for this, as it seems that God was not only trying to change Christianity through the Reformation and the development of Protestants, even the Reformation in the Roman Catholic Church, but that God was planting in the hearts of some of His followers in many different places the desire to know God better and to share that with others.
Kita le uve oya da jabe oya kete gala le koko choya mau be ko kale kri o mote baka z chebe zumjo chebe o chue kholo tiga ga chi no tu pia le choya chi ni ma te po ko osu ko pula le na ba te ko asu yo to usha da ja da chebe usha jabe o kha ko uve ni ma ko tu la le ko ka oba mi se yu kai ga be ni ma ko chola be yo te o te chui tha.
I want to talk for just
I was just telling them that we were introducing many types of beliefs, like we did a while ago about deism. Now we're coming to
actually, this is not an deism was a change within Christianity that really put it outside the Christian faith. Pietism was is a way of describing a movement within Christianity that really helped us, is an emphasis on the heart religion.
Deism có về tema khale pule bo ya kholo to la về đây yo khao tema le o be khai kai le ko chui mai ya chi u chi mu jai si le chui mai u sha ta o bai si ve ya ka chi tema khale chỉ tiếc khi mà từ đây mà khi ông một khối đi tốt là về, giờ cả chỉ tiếc khi sao ta chỉ về cái asu yo tôi sao ta, cái đấy có sĩ cái từ về, ở cái ta hư cái ra về, yêu cái này ông một chỉ tiếc mà đâu có chơi về.
In some ways, you could think that deism was a way of making religion just something of the head only, without even a miracle working God, just a God that was outside. Pietism was something that would make God, was a way of keeping God a part of the heart.
Chỉ ta tôi giờ số thay yêu mà cái về deism chiều cái là người xa thả cổ cái là bốc cổ cổ chế cứ về chế, rất nhiều cái là cái yo mình cứ chiều người xa phá tích cổ phá đi yo, giờ khác thôi người xa mà chiều người xa dự chiều người xa ô khác vừa cái cái yo, bố chế về yêu khao thế mà, kriyo mo kriya yo na le okay ko chebe ya ka pietism ko be ti ma kale u sha le ko ko je ti che mai nga ni ma ko che ya ko be ti ma le pietism ko be ni ma o to kha ga u sha ta ga shi le ga ha ko be ti ma ko la bi yo je.
The roots of pietism and the desire to this desire to keep religion and experience in a matter of the heart came out of this same area of Germany, where we've been talking about, where Martin Luther here kind of began his movement. Well, within Germany there were many, of course, followers of that, but in the middle of the 1600s, here in this period, the birth of pietism began.
Germany movie ota Martin Luther ti hi na ha ko lo jo bu mo da pha da pia le chi de khu yu khayo ko phe la be o ko lo ko ti hi ko ha ko lo le la ke ti ha ko o ko no Martin Luther ko no ti ha ko tha pietism ko be ti ma ni ma to kha ga sha ta ha be ti chu okay be o mo ko ma la be o Germany movie ko lo.
And we owe a lot to the roots of pietism because it was a focus on the personal, emotional, and practical, experiential aspects of Christianity.
No le nga ve kriyo mo le okolo pietism ko be chote phata nga he pule amale cha za che be ko ga na yu hu be ogu lo ma ko yu hu ge cha ga be ko ga be.
And it was a focus on more than just the doctrines and beliefs, but a focus on practice and behavior and on the life of the Christian.
Ketele pietism ko be chiti ma khale pule yo tsu tha je wo ti le he chue nga le bo ya yo ko be ti ma he ya kha tho yo tsu ka da be ko ka ni ma ta kha ka da ja he le a sha te che be ko lo tho ka pule o be you are ka shue a sha te che ga be cho okay be o mo to la be yo.
This is a movement that came in response to the deadness that many of the churches found themselves in the state of.
Chiketo to be kriya o mo ka te to la be le ko mo be ko boya ko be tian tha o ti chui tha la ke mun jo che be ke chui ma ya ti cha che le lu sha ko pule yu ne pia la chi ti ka o jiao se lu sha tha ko ke sho ba la be o ke mo le o ke be tha mo le kri o mo se che be ko lo chike no tu pa jo le chike no tu la be yo.
And so a Calvinist or Lutheran might ask the question, are you a Christian?
Ketelo kale John Calvinist ko le Calvinist ko yo be yo ha ti chu le Luther be yo kha te wa ko no o te na Yesu ya phe la te na ni be yo.
Or a pietist would say, do you love Jesus?
Ketele okay, I didn't know where you went. John Calvin tha yo be ko kale they would ask what question?
Well, a Calvinist or Lutheran would ask the more static question, are you a Christian? Have you been saved? Where a pietist would say, do you love Jesus and do you have a relationship with Jesus?
Okay. Calvinist ko be te mo kale to pa ha ko shua na u te da be phu da choi ko le kin na bio. No boya phe ola te na bio le. Yakha pietism be yo be chote pa ko kale no Yesu tha ha la. Te okay ko kai ba ko be. Che pa to pu da ke jo ko ga be. Ma su da ai la no boya phe ola ko be te ma ko o tha che kai ge che le. Yakha no te na Yesu ha la ko pu le a chi ko ne ja be le chi u sha ta. Pa ne be. Pa ne ga be.
Sometimes noted as the father of pietism is a man named Philip Jacob Spener.
Pietism be opalo โชย่าสวดได้หมดเลยชิพาโอไปพาตาลายแล้วก็บอกอะไรฟิลิแม่ไปชดที่ไรเลยฟิลิอย่าโป๊สเปนเนอร์แม่ไปได้นามสกุลก็สเปนเนอร์แม่ไปชดที่ไรโตลาเวเจ
And he began to be very interested in trying to help his people. He would call them to a life of moral reform and back to relationship with Jesus. And so he was trying to figure out how he could help his people best do that. And
yo le abuma paloti ga phe ba to yo be omoya te phatha khakete le te poko usage ko la ga tu khakete le ni ma ka ta kha ni ma o to kha ga usata ha tu site ma pho khakete ma tu le na to le o kha ga te ja be yo.
So in one of his sermons, he mentioned the idea of some of the laymen getting together to support each other and hold each other accountable.
Ketele tin kata yo bo ma le chike ko be nga he bo ho bo na te pha ka ho kha pa te pha ka pu le ti si be te po ni po pho da le o ga pi da le te ge bo lo le te cho he le te o khe je be yo.
So in the year 1670, we've been right in here, 1670.
Ketele te hi kho ha le si kho tha.
He decided to begin to have folks come to his house on Wednesdays and Sundays and meet in his home to pray, discuss the sermon, apply passages from Scripture, study devotional writings, and just share together what God was doing in their lives.
Yo ko pi be si bu she ni le si ni ta ko khle nga kho gu la me nga kho la le chi u sha lo kao da le ti si bo ti si nga he li fu he che be lo ko da li fu wo nya la ti la ya o ga pi da te yo ke ti pi bi yo.
This is important in the sense that a couple of it would only be a few years later that John Wesley would also follow that practice in the 1740s and on. He also would have his followers meet in these small groups.
Ketele cho chitiga Philip Spainer ko chitiga umma palo chitiga ka okay te ka shishwe ala ke te ha ko ne chi ma bi o be kono John Wesley ka o be ka shishwe o be li fu pi se he be le chi a ko ye ka ko bo lo be okay te kai bi yo.
So he was asked to prepare a little introduction to another book, and in that introduction he Philip Spainer suggested 6 things that the church needed.
Ketele yo tha shu ku pi be le nga hu boya kriya kha de de usha kha ni ma to kha ga ha tu be ko nga hu ka the the jo le na no chi do ni le he ni le nga ga chi ma ko pa to yo ko be kha le nga te la be ko le ti tsu tha yo o kha gu le kho chu yo be o mo ya te pa ta yo ma pi be yo je.
The first thing he said that people needed to do in order for reform and revival to come is that there needed to be more use of the Word of God. They needed to use the Bible more.
Olo te chu yo be yo o mo ya te pa ta yo ko pi be o kha le nga hu na ba te ko li fo tha chi te khu no hu wo che be a ke ka wo cho be yo te yo o ga pi be yo be o mo ya tha.
The second thing was that he suggested we needed to have a renewal of this priesthood of all believers. In other words, he was saying that all Christians needed to be active in the work of God.
Yo ko be kha le ni ma te ma ko kha le pu le khri ya te la le jo ha pho ashu yo be yo po khu be ka kha de te jo te okay o ga pi bi yo.
Third thing that was very important that he appealed to was for the people to begin to live out their Christian faith in authentic practice, not just for it to be a something that they knew about, so that it was more than knowledge. It would actually become a lifestyle.
Kita sheh kita ju kalau yo muda yo orang kita pilih pokok sheh kita ju kok kalau asyik yo ve tinggi lele asyik te cewek kalau ni tolak tak kagak kada dia asyik te cewek kalau tolak pi te yo ceke orang pilih.
The fourth thing is that he recommended and suggested that they have restraint and charity or love in their religious controversy, that they would love and pray for not only unbelievers, but to love and pray for each other and moderate their tone in disputes.
Kalau orang jadi juga kalau ya dah jida veo kalau kok kalau ni jo kai veo ya kah hpeh̞ kah tipa jia ke ma cuy te kacau veo te yo okay orang pilih je. Nak sheh mati male, te pokok no yo ve te no te pokok ve te male. Sheh mati mako hpeh̞ ve kalau obe hpeh̞ ve kalau ya dah jida ve ka yo kai ve ko ka hpeh̞ ve ka thoka tinggal te kacau hawo ve cuy tak ada ve.
The fifth thing was that he called for reform in the education of pastors, ministers. He stressed the need for training in piety and devotion rather than just in academics.
Nga jadi juga kalau yo ko kalau boma pati kalau le to ka sia ke cuca le akhirnya college tu ye Henʼ ve cetate ya ka sia ke ka ko cuca le omoya ke ka ko cui mai po cuca le suta magatu ma pula tu gate asiyo to cuca te yo ke orang pilih.
And then the last thing, number 6, he asked ministers to preach edifying sermons that could be understood by the people rather than just academic discourses that were directed at other clergy. He actually encouraged these pastors to preach to their people in ways that they could understand.
Kita lihat kalau boma pati pada yo ko ma bele ni ko te ko boma pa ma bele kalau ko jadi juga. Nuh boma beti yang tha cuma naga be otai muja beti thai kalau no bota ma ko je. Mumi ya le no be ki omoya naga beti thai kalau ya la le yuh naga tu bo boma ko je ko. Orang ko asyita ko kalau to mu be jo bele to ko mu be jo be to ko aji ne be jo bele chi cho ka pe naga be. Boma pa ko aji to mu be ti ye le okay tate cuma naga ko che be na te lo ke ma ko ga be.
Seems to me that I think these are probably pretty good suggestions for us today, even though they were written over 400 years ago.
To anh ko chi ke te to la be ka o ha ko ga ko be o be te pa o ha ko ga ya ka o tha Philip buma pa lo Philip chi ti ka yo mo ya ta ma be o ka chi ti ma ka do anh ko chi bu jue nga he jue ko ga ye pe be ju jo he le.
Do we need to review those points, you think?
Probably
Okay.
not. Probably not.
All right. Part of the importance of this writing is just for us to see that as we begin, the influence of this man, Mr. Spener, became very influential because of this movement called Pietism. It actually infiltrated and impacted almost all of evangelical Christianity in the days to come through Europe, America, and around the world. We see some of the impact even today still in some of our practices of worship.
yo ta le ni ma to kha ka lu sha ta ha tu yo kha te pa yo ma ve pa to ya ni kha ve te mo ma ko choka to pa ha ko evangelical ko chi nga he sa ha ki ko po a ve lai mo jo yo ai la te mo le le ko lo chi pa ma ve a cha da chi ai ko ga ve o gu jo ai ko ga ve chi pa ma ve ma kha ta cha da chi ai.
One of the importances, and that you and I probably need to keep in mind in our ministry as well, is that it's not just what we say, but what we're able to pass on, and then what those who follow us can do to carry on the gospel. And so, one of the students of Philip Spener was a man named Herman Frank.
Atonement chỉ đôi khẩu sơ chỗ cả ngà hư mà bươn về cái ta phải pi cô coi bên na mà bươn về cái tiếp phải cô cả chế lê về yo, ya cả mà bươn về cô cả cô siêu cô na ga le ga yu pa to la thắc ga mà về Philip Spener mà về cô lo cha hết là le khai để yêu về ở Laũ có phải là về tí gạo khai Herman Frank mẹ về tí hi khổ ha có chi nga khổ tha tổ là yo chạy chi pa sư gạo yu chi pa tí gạo.
So 20 years after Philip Spener wrote the little introduction with those 6 ideas, Herman Frank would lead his university. That year he instituted his home. He opened up his home for poor children and for school. Very similar to what you've done here in having a home so that the children could come down out of the village so they could go to school. He would open his home to some of the children that were needy and didn't have a way of paying so that they could go to school.
Did you say he was a professor or?
Yes, he was teaching at one of the universities.
Okay.
At the same, actually, Mr. Spener taught at a university too.
Okay.
Most of these guys did.
อาจารย์โลฟิลิปสเปเนอร์ทกะมหาวิทยาลัยโลที่มาโคโลมาเชเวคิดเรียกอะไรนี่ชิโกโคโนอาจารย์ฟิลิปสเปเนอร์โยอโตชีโคจิริจิริมาโคตามมาละเลยสารุเฮอร์มันแฟรงค์เมเวติกะเขาเบียคนนางไกสิเลยเขาคิดเวเลยยูเวเยชีเยมีพอเปียเลยฮาวเวยาติพาลิมาลาเฮเวยาเอติพางาเกลาเลยเฮละก็เลยยูเวเยกะปื้อเลยชียาเอของพระเขเลยงาคือเตปิเชเวเขเลยยาเอโอจุยไม่จักคือโอตีเตปิวิโอเจ
The next year he started an orphanage.
ก็แต่ที่โคถ้าก็ยาเอลิมาตัวข้าเตปิเวคนนั้นที่โคก็เขาเลยยาจุชิเจคือก็เตไกเว
Then he would start an institute for training teachers.
ก็แต่อนนั้นที่โคก็เขาเลยสละที่ปัตตามาตัวเวช่วยโลกกับพ่อพี่เว
He would be involved in setting up a publishing house, a medical clinic, and many other institutions that would serve people.
ช่วยที่ก็ลียาคือการที่มาเตเวโอเวนัดสิอยู่เยโลที่มากับก็ยกเตเวที่จิ๋วที่จิ๋วเตไกวิโอ
One of the things I find interesting is that when people get serious about serving God and they have a sense of heartfelt religion, they also have the desire to help people.
แต่ละที่คือก็คือให้อยู่ตัวเวที่เจียวเขาเลยเพื่อเลยพอเดียวน่าที่อยู่พ่อเขาเลยเดโนเวอมุยาทำมังกาเวโลโก้เขาเลยมากาเวที่ไม่ใช่เตกไกลาวิวช่วยที่สาโลเฮอร์มันแฟรงค์คาชูชู
One of the ways that the Church of the Nazarene was developed in its early days, they also ran homes for unwed mothers, orphanages, and had ministries to the poor. And so in recent years, we've tried to bring ourselves, well, across the years, we've tried to follow that, but we kind of moved away from that. And so in recent years, the Church of the Nazarene has moved back to an emphasis on saying, a heartfelt religion says that we need to have compassion and we need to serve others. And so we need to have some of these ministries that serve people.
Nazarethคือโมชีที่มากับอกคือปือตาเตเชเวที่อันท่าขักเตตาลาเวเสียแล้วอกพ่อมาโจเลยยาหุยเลยยามีมาจากเวปาโตที่ช่วยโคโลปติวโปเยที่มาเตปีเลยยาหาชาปีเวหาเวเสียเวปาโตเลยและยาจุชีมาจากเวปาโตยาจุชีเยตาเตใครเลยโอเคหาชาหลาลูกเวยาข้ามุมว่าละแค่ที่หาขอเคปีละถ้ากับโอเคเลยอกคือปืนท่างคือหากาปืนเวก้าที่ผ่าตัดเตเชเวที่มาตากบผ้าตาไกสิเลยเวมูเวที่จูจ้าไกเลยอามาเลยโปชาเวมหาวิทยาลัยที่แถเวที่โดไกเลยอาชีพไกเชียวอย่างก็ที่คือที่หาขบบีลาเวปาโตคือที่คือที่ปกถูกไว้เลยอาชีพท่าหาโอเวชที่ผ่าตัดคือกาปีปุจจาเวนิมาที่มาเขาเราคือก็เอกาเลยปะต่อที่คือที่หากบีลาแบบเขาเราอยู่ก็แต่จุดจ้าเลยอมุยาขับเอท่าหาเปเลยกาที่ผ่าตัดก็ได้ใครดูก็แต่มาเชื่อ
That reminds me of in the New Testament, in the book of Acts, when the disciples, part of their responsibility was the feeding of widows.
แต่แล้วคือเขาได้ก็ลิฟูถ้าฟูนี่เวทีอันนั้นเสียเหลี่ยคนละท่อไม่ชอบมาที่ผ่าถ่ายคือจ่าเวจ่าปีโตปีเวก็ถ้าเตเชเวเขาช่วยคือท่ออมุยาท่อเตโจวิโอทุกอย่าง
And it took so much of their time and their effort that they decided, the 12 who were administering the program decided that they need some helpers to help them with this food program so that they could dedicate their time to teaching and preaching.
所以你看那可能啊，你为第二他，只要在爬也是可以，我们嘛可打回可能，刚去的爬他国家在前面多嘞，แต่มาใจเฉยบุมาตัวยากกับมาจ่อๆกันไปปะต่อ只要你看那可能还可嘞，งั้นคือที่กะหากาปุ้ยเวก้าที่มาคือเตมากาโลไม่ชอบมาเตผ่าตากาปีเชเวไล่จะไล่ยาจุชิตาหูเชเวเชื่อว่าตัวกาปีป่าหลุเวก็เลยกาปีป่าก็ลึกแหละบุมาปุ้ยเวชอบก็ใครได้บุมาไกซื้อกาตัวโอกาปีป่าก็กาเลยจะเกิดได้ไกอยู่ไอ้ละ
So they selected 7 men who were well respected, full of the Holy Spirit, and full of wisdom.
ที่แต่พอโตเราก็ได้ผ่าไปอดตาโอเตียวน่าโอเมดาเวชอพกขับผ่าเสือเลือดตัวลายเลยยูคือจูฮาพกขับเพื่อแหละจูฮาโอฮาฟูบีเวชอที่ผ่าตัดเลือดแหละการที่มาตัดเด็กไก่สุริโย
And then they gave them the assignment, the food program assignment.
ปืนคนนอยูคือถ้าหาโอเวชอตัดแค่ได้จับปีโตปีตุเวก้าที่มาตัดชี้อาบีวิโอ
There are times in our ministry that we have a lot of wonderful things that we ought to be doing. We have these compassionate ministries and other programs of service. So what's important for us is to know what our calling, and for some of our people to know what their calling and their role is. All these things are important, but we must decide, what kind of time we're going to spend and what God has called us to.
งั้นคือพวกข้าเด็กโกโก้เขาจะเขียวหากปุ้ยเวก้าเตตุเวหาเปเวก้าเตตุเวไล่จะไล่จบไปอยู่อยากข้าโทษช่วยตาชากุยมาช่วยได้ปะโตโนเวจื้อเจ้าหมู่เขาอาชูถ้าชาละชอข้าเวที่อยากปีเวโนกาเทโดนี่เฉลยยูถ้าโอเคเตกาตัวโปงั้นคือบุมากับเพทกะกาเทโอกาปีโจโอกาเป็นโอเคเวลือโตละโจโอกาเวนอตีตาเตคือเชี่ยวนอถ้าชาบุมาตัวยาปีโกโอเวกาตาเตกาเวชอเตปาตากาอาปีโอกาเว
I think one of the things we're always faced with pastors is sometimes too many things to do. And I know that in my church there are many ministries that we try to do, but I can't do them all myself. So I have to find people, or God calls people to do certain ministries. Sometimes if we don't have anybody to do that ministry, then perhaps it'd be better not to do that particular ministry. But the important thing is that we find people who are suitable to the different programs and ministries of the church.
Nga to ka buma pa hpeh̞ pa to kama buma pa ka kama ke nga sia ala ke ti le no ti te cho ave shu yo ya kha to ti le no te ma ga ta ho ga ve sia ba to ti ji po shu o ka nu sha ta la ta pi ave cho te pa pa jo ve lo ko le le chi a pi le to la le chi a pi le ka te jo pi ho ga ve.
But in this movement of Pietism, we see a number of people who come out of that movement, even a church that developed called the Moravian Church, the influences on other churches that not only would be heartfelt religion, but that they would also do these programs and ministries that would serve people. And then also, there was a great missionary impetus that came out of that, missionary motivation for them to go.
Cái tên là cái chi Pietism về yêu khai lệ nhưng mà tổ khác cả người cha ta hạ từ về po cái để chú cha che về cho chi đi phá khổ tổ là về ở cả nu chi Kriya điều ya cả Moravian me về cho thế một cả chỗ về yo yêu cả chi đi mà ta có hay yêu gì lệ có tê cái che về khổ lo ngã hư hai lệ bố khô to cái từ bố thọ cả yêu cái để nhìn mà phụ là điều.
I think what I'd like to do is just take a moment and kind of take a little bit of a break, and we're going to. I want to hear a couple of your stories and see. Just allow a couple of you to share, and then we won't do everybody right in this time, but we'll spread this out over the next couple of days, and so we'll just kind of hear how our story fits and where it may fit into the story of today. Okay. You notice his story is not complete without his story.
Cố gắng về cái là sala cháu lúc bộ về asha chỉ thì mà sala phô mà về asha mà bộ đấy có mà bi về cố gắng về.
Sometimes we think things that we do, that average daily activities of life, are not important.
Thế bộ bộ ngã hư đo về cái là tí nhớ lẽ ngã hư tê cứ tê cho về cá chợ tham đa số về có mà lẽ nát sẽ tê khai dụ về cả tham đa số về.
But he went hunting.
Giờ cả yêu có cái là sạ chả bộ tôi về.
And while he was hunting, he had the opportunity to minister to his wife.
Cái là sạ chế chả bộ tôi về cả sạ chả phơi về cả xóa khó pha chơi lẽ xóa nát sẽ có chả dụ pi về.
And while giving medicine to his wife, he shared the good news.
Yo mi mà thà nát sẽ dụ pi về tiang tha. Hà lẽ về bộ khó cả có bẻ pi gà về yo.
And so in response to that, you responded, and God changed your life.
Cái là hai lẽ về bộ khó chỉ mà là cá cái về tiang tha. Yo to cả nhưng mà có phô là lẽ có hạ yêu về phô chơi về.
And now, you're going to do the same for people, for other people in your life.
Cái là dạng nhiều cái là over chỉ mà cái là yo nó ta tê lại cái chuyện nó to cả nó về chỗ chữ thà có tê cái từ trái lại có tê cái từ về có khá có treo về có cái về.
Amen. Amen. It's always interesting to me that when we tell our stories, we begin to see how God is active in our lives.
Alo là cho về lệ ngà hư tiga về à sao lo chỉ cái cào đại về tiền tha sa có ở tiêu na ở khôn pa gọi là che lại ngà hư khôn cát để che về thằng ngà hư khát tổ lệ ở khôn pa phụ nhà có một hệ về cái này.
And I think that's why I like history so well, is because even though there's some dark moments, I get to see how God has worked across 2,000 years, actually before that, to bring Christ to us, to bring Christ into the world, and then these 2,000 years since, in order to bring us here today.
Chỉ đã bắt đầu nào tôi thốt cả chỉ khi ông mua về là sao vậy phụ nhi lệ vô nhi lệ chỉ cái đi cả ra về cho tất cả về ở lúc có bỏ lại về nhi có lo là sao vậy có lo khác cái hpaΐ về ở chỗ thằng là cứ xí cả ra về bắt đầu chỉ cái mà cả mà lệ cái lệ vô lệ hết cả hết chế về mà khác nào.
Thank you for getting us started.
Ở bộ ra nó ở lúc tất cả tả ra đấy chỉ cái sáng kia khá là về đây ở bộ ra.
So we'll take time for one more.
Tất cả có cho xe biểu, ở nhà chỉ cho xe biểu, ngài hứa mai chế sẽ thang.
One more right now.
Sẽ tích khởi lệ, sẽ bắt đầu cho xe lên nào.
Back, we're going to take just a few minutes to kind of bring this together and prepare the way for us to begin tomorrow morning.
Sẽ tích khởi cái lên ngài hứa mà cái bự về lệ, cái bự về các bé thả chỉ có cô đã cái lệ số bộ, ngài hứa ta hết cái từ về ở lô thả, cha đã cái từ ở khá cô từ về ở.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, we're on.
Okay, we're on. We are on. Well, we've been talking about the movement called Pietism.
Vậy nhưng mà ta mà cái đó sự đi à họ cái là khá chỉ để mà Pietism có vẻ chỉ để mà Pietism có vẻ chỉ để mà nhưng mà ở tổ khác cái sa ta hạ là sa họ lo tệ tổ lại chỉ để mà đặt có chơi.
An emphasis on the heart and not just the head.
Ô của chỉ đi đốt cái mai sa về lo nhưng mà họ lo đốt cái là sẽ cứ sẽ họ lo tệ tổ lại.
Concerned about lifestyle and not simply about doctrine.
Bây giờ yếu chất thà chế đi ngã hư yếu tí cái về mai hệ, ya khác thôi ngã hư asa tệ chế về ở kholo, su ni to ra thắc cả, Yesu ya phê về, saya phê về.
Very often using small groups to meet together for encouragement and accountability and Bible study.
Thế bộ có chỉ cái tega từ về ở bộ, chứ cho một kholo, ya cả kholo bộ rồi mà có lịch phu hay là ya cả kholo lịch phu vô lại hay về ở chữ mà có gạt về.
The involvement of the laity in the work of the church and the ministry of the church.
Cái này khi ông một chữ chữ ya thế phải thôi cả. Sa bộ cát để chế về ở lò tiga để chữ như chữ cái chế về thả có chế về.
Encouraging everyone to read their Bibles and to study the Bible.
Cái này chữ ya để phá ông ya để phá tiga là lịch phu chia cái chữ cha là vô cái chế về ông một.
Many of those who were in the tradition of Pietism would stay within their more traditional churches and try to impact their church from the inside out.
Mà về có chỉ cái Pietism có về ông một cái là hệ chế về khi ông một lô có chế thì có chế về, giờ các ông một lô có chế tôi yêu khai yêu ông một số tôi về mà hệ ông một có chế là chế cái người sa thà xí lá tu chú cha chế về ông một có chế về.
We've talked about Philip Spener and Herman Frank, but I want to talk about one more man that was in this particular strain of Pietism.
Chỉ tìm một cái tốt là về ông em phụ chế về xã lô chế là lô chỉ mà cái gì là lô chỉ mà có Philip hay bự ví dụ Herman có về thì Herman Frank chỉ thích cửa cái là
Count von Zinzendorf.
Von Zinzendorf.
Yeah. This was a German nobleman, so he owned a lot of property. To tell you his story, it began, of course, he was born into this noble family, and at 10 years old, he and a group of his friends decided to form a society and pledge their love to the whole human family and pledge to spread the gospel at 10 years old.
Count Van Zinzendorf, maybe Chitigale, Posha, Palo, Tigabe, Yakako, Pola, Tigape, Yoje, Yakati Chico, Chitijota, Yo Kale, Yo Kajushu, Doabe, Cho, Laigata, Tige, Gupole, Nahule, Nahube Asha Kapwe, Dabe gave Kola Asha Techele.
By the time he was 22 years old, he invited a group of Moravian refugees. Moravians were some of the folks that founded a separate church out of this group, and he invited some of them to meet on his estate.
Yane, but Chitiga Tichikota, Usha Takatita, or Chota Katita, Nchiteko Hejota, Yo Kalechi, Laū Kalechi, Opio Becho Takakole, Ha? Chopotopale, Chopokui, Hello, Makajo. Chopokui o motimo jo ko be ovio Moravian ko be cho timo pe che ke tele o ti uta ngabe mi gumaja chukata chela le kade de chi Reformala ko pe la yu ta che zu che.
In about 5 years they had a community of about 300 people.
Nga ko ke ga ta ga ko le yo be o mo e ti ma ko la ke o mo ya sheh ga ke la che.
The only problem was they were deeply divided and they were bickering.
Ketele kale pahati jadi jo chiti mo kholo yu ga te amale paha peja che ko be to yo da ma da le do kha ma ho da le paha pe che ko.
And so the Count and a handful of other members began to pray.
Ketele kale chiti ga le okanu lai ga tige
And on May the 12th, the Holy Spirit came and descended on that community.
What year was it?
1727. And so within a few months, 24 men and 24 women began to have a prayer watch in constant intercession before God. Each one agreed to spend 1 hour of every day in prayer. So they had one man and one woman taking each a specific hour of every day, so they were praying around the clock. This went on for over 100 years. Pardon? Out of this prayer concern and these prayer meetings, there came a great missionary fervor in the hearts of the Moravian church.
Moravian Vekri Omo Kolole. Moravian Vekri Omo Kolo. ชิเคโบโลตุเวกาติชาจาเตดาเลเตหาโคคากาชิเคโบเชเวปาโตยูคือคีโอโมชิติโมโคโลโมเรเบียนคีโอโมโคโลmissionary te ga ve cho ni ma puja ve cho hale po ko to ga ve ja ve cho ni ma puja ve cho ma ja je to la ma ja ve.
One of the unique things that they began to do was to sing hymns.
You who te ga puja ve o jiu khale kameli kam ko ka ga ve
Because N.Z.R believed that they could use music and hymns to express their testimony.
Count van Zinzendorf ผู้ไปเที่ยวเขาเลยเพื่อเลยยูคือกำมือคบกาเบียวคนละทอกะฮาเลยไปบอกคนหมากาเบียวก็เลยร้านเดี๋ยวร้านเปียเลยกำมือคบกาเบียวคนเหยียดเตะไปแล้วจะได้พวกถือได้จะก็ไปเปลี่ยวจะนี่มาพูดจะเจ
You know how we've been talking about how our lives impact someone else's life and the connection here. And during the break, we were talking about the connection in your life with other missionaries. And all of these times it takes a while to connect the dots together, but we're going to talk about how all of these impacted John Wesley.
งาคือก็ได้เชื่อไว้ละอย่าชุดทักะเอาไปชูชักขี้ขามาลาไปเตียนทักะตีกาไปอาชาทับปะโตตีกาไปอาชาโปตีกาจัดลาไปปะโตบีลาไปก็ไปชีข้าชูเอที่ที่คือมาไกลเชื่อไปพอเราตีกาปตีกาจัดเชื่อไปโอโลก็ชอบผมมาไกลตีไปจานเวสลีไปอาชาทักะโอกาสนู้ชอชิมาไปอุสุลาไปปะโตโยโอบูโจไกเวโอจืจัดไกเชวิโอเจ
Actually, that's a little bit late. 1735, John Wesley decided that he wanted to become a missionary to the American Indians in North America in Georgia.
17
Yeah, this would be 1735.
第一次他写情况过他 John Wesley 有 missionary 给过来คือชาวพวกขี่ไกลเลยโน่ก็รับผู้มีคนเราชีอินเดียนแดงค่ะฮัลโหลมาไกลก็เลยโยกไกลไปเจ้ John Wesley
And while he was on that voyage, he met some of these Moravians.
ก็เลยโยเชี่ยวเขาเลยไล่หาปลาไทยไกลไปปลาตัวเล็กคือชาวพวกขี่เช่ไปเตี้ยท่า Moravian ไปขี่เอาหมดที่ปลาไทยโยหมดอะไรเจ้เราก็คนเราคนที่มาที่ขี่เช่ไปเลย
And he was amazed at their faith.
ก็เลยโยคือไปโยข้าที่มาแต่โยอาจจะเจ้าก็ไปแล้วก็โยข้าที่น่าจะเจ้าก็ไป
You see, while they were on the way, they encountered a terrible, severe storm. And while in the middle of this storm, these Moravian missionaries maintained a very calm attitude.
พวกเราก็เชี่ยวเขาเลยโอเวมือโลมือเวที่ผ่าตาจะฟุ้ยเลยเจ้าก็ไปเอาที่ห้าท่าคือที่เดียวเขาเลยพวกเราก็เชี่ยวฟุ้ยอะไรอยู่เสียตัวเสียงงงไกลไปอยู่ที่คือก็เลยที่คือเลยฟุ้ยเลยเสียขับไปเสียอยู่ให้มาด้วยนั่นแหละอย่างเขาพิจารณาเพจเท่ากับมันก็ Moravian เว missionary แต่ไกลก็ไปที่ผ่าเนี่ยโบนี่มากับโบเลยเชื่อเลยที่ชิกะ
Because even though he had been meeting with others to study the Word, and he had met in prayer, and he was doing all the right things, these disciplines of the Christian life, he did not have that same inner peace, and so he was afraid.
lịch phục ở vô bư về lịch phục ở Henʼ về tích chữ lê tất cả tê cử tê cho về vô tê chả về ya khác thôi Moravian về missionary tê chê chê phá tê phá về nhưng mà có lo gồ lê về tê mà vô mà chỗ về tê vô chỗ là về lê ở lo có vô sơi về cổ chê là nhưng mà chủ trả cho về
And so, a fearful man that was not necessarily going in the power of the Spirit remembered these missionaries on the trip, but he goes as a missionary to the American Indians, and his mission fails. He's a terrible, miserable failure.
Yo be asha tha ni be tian tha yo le ko pu ja be ti ga si a chi mo mo ala ka ko be ya kha shu ko ni ma ko go le be ti chi jo ya ba to ko tu ka ko be khe ra ma shu be.
And so he gives up and goes back to England.
Ate ti zu che le missionary ka chi ko ja lo te ga tu mai ko le ni ma lu wa le England mo mi ko ko be.
And while he's in England, because of those missionaries that impacted him, he was able to meet another Moravian named Peter Böhler.
Moravian ve omo Petru Böhler mevele namsukun Böhler Petru Böhler meve tila thako phu dai ve chokwe la mo dai ve.
And Peter encouraged John Wesley to continue to preach faith until he should receive it himself.
Keteleo Petru kete kopi le ko kele no sagega te bolo yo ve okolo sagega te bolo ko thako no ka nga he ni ma ko go le ve no to ka lai ti yo de kopi ve te ko ma ki ve te.
And so one day, while he was in a meeting, and they were reading Martin Luther's preface to the Epistle to the Romans. They were reading one of Martin Luther's writings to Romans. He was able to find and feel and sense and know that God was his Savior. He felt a sense of God's grace within.
John Wesley le yu chote pha Martin Luther bo tave Romali olo bo taveli te ma go cheve tian tha te poti John Wesley ni ma ko khade de na lai ve choko ve usha kholo hale vele usha yo tha thai kho te ve usha kholo yo joti hati ra ve chiti pha tha khade te oti tha khade de na lai ve choko ve.
We're going to talk about the rest of the story of how John Wesley had an impact all around the world.
John Wesley yo usha to po pia le ko ka te kai do so po ma kai ti yo.
We're going to talk about how some of the stories of some of the men that we've talked about who wrote and preached and their ideas were passed on, how the Moravians and their impact on his life as they came together to create a very powerful ministry for John Wesley.
Mako che Moravian ve kri omu mako demo ka hetele usha YouTube kia le che ngave obe John Wesley ve yo ashata ka hete jada la ve o ju jada che ve o ju ne pa no ta shopo ma kai yo.
Because it was some of the things that he learned from each one of these different groups and these different peoples that he was able to bring together and then to put into practice in his life and his ministry. Because of his ministry in England, revival came to England, and also due to part of his ministry, revival came in America, And because of the revival in the people's hearts of those who would follow him that were called Methodists, then later some of the fruits of that ministry would give birth to mission work and also to the Church of the Nazarene. And because of the Church of the Nazarene, we're here today.
England no tula ve ko phe kai le cho ka pe ka sha ta ma hu ve cho ka ga de sha hu la le ana o te ma le ta ja ve ana o te ma o ka la fme ka pe kai la le ka la fme ka la tha Methodist ve kri o mo te mo ko to la ve yo ve ma kha te pa ta do cho ve pa to Methodist ti pa ko lo la le ko no ko ke le missionary ka lai ka pu pi ve Methodist o mo chi ke te le o ki chui tha nga hu Nazareth kri mo ka po ka lo ku la ve po ka lo po la ve yo ve ka te ve cha le ke po la ve chi ta pa to ya ni Nazareth kri mo thai mi ka la ve.
John Wesley would repeat some of the ministries that he'd learned about. He would enact small groups. He would start orphanages and do compassionate ministry work. He would have training for his pastors. He would use lay pastors to travel and encourage lay ministry in his churches. He would send out missionaries, and so the impact of all of these other people influenced his life, which then would go on to influence others' lives that then would influence our life.
John Wesley yo to ka yo po ma che ve o chui ko lo o mo bo lo ve ye ka bo lo ve li fu he ve bo ma pa tha ma pi ve ya jo si tha ha sha pi ve o ve shu tha ha ka pu ve ka de pa tha ju cha ve ma ko missionary ve ka te missionary to la tu ga te ma le missionary kai pu ve ma ko o ke ve ka te pa ta te ve pa to ya ni yo te ta ve ka ta pa to na se le pe mo nga hu ke lo ga la le nga hu tho o ve tha cha da che ve ko ga le.
We never know the impact that we're going to have when others see our life of faith.
Chi da pa to no lu sha tha yo ve no a sha ko lo te to la ve tian tha ashu ni che na ka no ma si ya ka no ma si se ga shu de pa ni mo le no ge he yo le o te na no ga ve ke no yo ve ke shu yo la he tu lu sha yu ye la ti. Perhaps it was the faith of that handful of Moravian missionaries in the middle of a storm. Perhaps that little act of faith, of staying calm and the attitude that he saw, was a part of what spurred John Wesley to go find true heart religion for himself when he got back to England. To pa ha ko John Wesley missionary all lo te po cha te kai ve tian tha lu sha ta te ko yo ve do a ve yo lu sha ko che ve yo xie ve yo thai ko ve tha yo ga ve te yo ve yo ya kha ko mo lo te ma je mo la ka shu o ko lo jo ve le nga ko jo ve pu da ko jo ma ja lo te yo ne o mo le missionary ka te ko ka kha ma ta le ko le Moravian cho ti mo je mo ve pa to yo to ka chia ke na chue lu sha ve to ko tha du yu ga le yo to tho shu jo ve ke yo jo la le yo shu ni ma go ve jo ve ka shu yo ka jo la le yo ke ve cho te ga te to la ve shu a ni le pe la le.
So these 200 years previous to his ministry had a direct impact on him.
Chi da pa to John Wesley u so ve ni ha ko lo pe la ve o chu ka pwe to ka yo tha cha da che ve yo ve a sha tha cha da che ve yo tha hu che ve yo ka o ve cha da che ve.
And the faithfulness of God's people down through all of these years helped prepare the way and the foundation for his life to be changed.
Ke te lo ke le ông học của thế ta có sự ô về u sở tiên hi khổ khổ phệ ai về ở chữ lại à bắt đầu John Wesley có phệ la ga tu yo có na ga tu yo u sở lại ga ta sa chu lệ mà la về ở khá chỗ về.
And it's the connection of his story with our story that helps us to understand how God brought salvation to us.
Chỉ là bắt đầu John Wesley yo to tha các cái cha đã đều chữ vậy như nổ lên ngàn tạ của cha phứ lậu của cái vậy na nè cả cha cả lậu của cái vậy chú cả cha thọ cha cả lậu vậy.
In another 100, 200, 300 years, it'll be exciting to see how our stories impact someone down the road.
Chỉ là bắt đầu của cái vậy cái này là từ về tế hà khổ, ni hà khổ, sheh hà khổ u sở khá cả nó ngã hư mẹ chỉ ni một phép bự lô cô à sát tế bự lô cô lẽ ngã hư chỉ tế bôi cô trẻ về cho ta bắt đầu chế thay mình có N.Z.R khi ông mồ khá hư ở cái lên là lẽ ni hà sheh hà khổ khổ.
We won't get to see it with our own eyes.
Ngã hư tế cô ông mua sản mà để chơi vào trong ngành hương mẹ chỉ được có một cái hết.
But somebody will be able to trace their story back to someone else, and to you who are here today.
Ya cả sẽ hạ khổ, ở sự bỏ cho những cái cho tiếc ra lệ, tiếc cha cho tiếc ra ta chú lệ, ở về tiếc ra ta chú lệ, chỉ tiếc ra ta chú lệ, sau là đại là chú lệ. Ngã chỉ cái phệ là về lỗ để nếu mà về là giờ ta suy nghĩ về nhiều về tiền ta suy nghĩ từ về有没啦
So what is God saying to you today?
chỉ là bắt đầu chỉ tiếcคือngười sa nó thà các cái thế tôi hiểu chế về này.
What is God asking you to do?
Người sa nó thà yêu bộ cá thế tu Atonement nó thà nó tu chế về này.
Where would he take you in the next step?
Nó thà ở sự bao po tiếp bưởi yêu khảo po sẽ cái ra về này.
Who will he put in your way for you to speak to?
Nó về asha kholo ha đã là từ mua đã phu đã là từ ashu đã du lệ người sa nó thà yêu bộ cá thế là từ bộ cha phu là từ về lệ.
Whose life will he bring into your life so that they can know Jesus?
Ashu về asha nó về asha ta po đã lệ o cả nơi cho thế là người sa ta xí là từ yêu là từ về lệ người sa.
We may never know the impact that we'll have on anyone in our life.
Ngã hư ashu ta ngã hư ta pa to shu người sa ta xí là về ngã hư các bé lệ mà xí ta.
What God asks us to do is to be faithful and obedient and to follow him in the steps of Jesus and to be as Christ-like and holy as we can, to love God and to love others.
Ya khác ở sang ngã hư ta po chế về tích chữ tích chỗ nó lệ yêu ye gia về ông muốn ya tích là chế phép bị lẽ ở tên những cái câu ở sang nó thay yêu ye lệ o cả nó cho tích là thôi cả ở sang ta xí đã là từ phố nó thay yêu ye là từ yo.
Our stories are not finished yet.
Ngã hư về asha về ở lô chế mà là sao mà mắc bụi ta xí lô không mắc sẽ xí lệ.
And our stories can be will fit into God's story as we continue to obey and serve him.
Cái tên là ngã hư tế ga lệ về là sao về ở lô chế mà hư sa về hẹn dài lệ yêu về các khá lô bùa về ở khổ lô chả bó cửa lệ hư sa về mù mì từ ra đi.
As we live out our chronos time, God may have someone that he wants to bring into our lives so that they can experience a kairos an appointed time.
ငါคือถ้าอือชา chronos เวอยาโคโลอาชาติเทศลาเวเทโคนิโคเชโคงาโคอยากะติตัวเนกะเวติอันท่าโอกานุชอติกะตาโคจูเลโจจาเวอยาเพ่ไกตุไคโนสเวอยาเพ่ไกตุโคโยหาไดซลาเลอือชาเวมุมีไกมาไกตุโคเพ่ไกตุโยเฮเตสาโลจิเกโคเชเว